Emails never stop, and let's be honest, we've all missed important ones. Without a clear process, repair requests get delayed, duplicated, or even forgotten. That's what My Repairs Online fixes. Each request guides tenants through a structured form with issue times and photos to improve the quality of submissions. My Repairs Online even has AI assistants to help tenants describe the problem, and in some cases can even help them fix minor issues themselves. The best part? Every request flows directly into your property management software. No re-entering details, no missing information, and no lost emails. Getting started is simple. Customize your portal with your logo, colors, and even categories. Place a link in your email signature, add a button to your website, or place a QR code inside each property. Receive notifications for submissions and see repairs appear instantly in your property management software. With My Repairs Online, you eliminate wasted time, avoid unnecessary callouts, and guarantee every request is processed correctly. My Repairs Online is the tenant portal that gets the job done. Start your free trial today.